People in the chat are digging it. All right. Now, you know, Senator Westerfield was on, and he had a tragedy befall him with his Mavic. So, you want to see another one?
Sure.
All right. This is from Joe Blaylock, and he says, Ken, thought you might like to see this, a Mavic Air recording underwater. Didn't think they could do that, right?
Oh, no.
Yeah, the Grays River covered bridge is a one-lane covered bridge over the Grays River in western Oaxaca County, Washington. This is in Washington. And this is from Joe. And it's kind of amazing how long it continued to record. Enjoy this. Beautiful bridge. Oh no!
Oh, bitch!
If you're flying your drone and the next thing you see is fish, you done messed up.
Oh man, some great videos.
Yeah, I know. I was surprised. You know, sometimes you'll see a race drone go down, and you know the GoPros will keep filming because they're waterproof. But a Mavic Air, wow, impressive. Good job, DJI. Those salmon look good.